Forex market, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's Wednesday today. We're looking at the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Some of just a bit of an angle on what seems to be lying ahead, pretty much right around the corner as far as pending opportunities. Right from the watch list, guys. This one is we've been talking about this before, right? We were right on we had a bullish campaign leading to 65.41. That was a very successful campaign, which we got out from because we knew that this was going to be the type of reaction. We didn't want to get involved with this, type of technical correction. Also, we couldn't tell for sure whether price was going to be able to break through eventually. We have changed a little bit our view here. Now we believe price is coming back up for a reason. Even though it's been there, last week, and quickly, like really swiftly bounced back down, now it seems to be coming back up again. And according to our, cross analysis on other leading assets, we think the New Zealand dollar might be up for a breakout, a legit one. So obviously the best way forward would be to wait for an actual breakout, which we didn't have here yet, right? Followed by a weekly breakout confirmation. I'm going to show you why we believe the general bullish conviction here. It has to come from the big picture monthly chart. This is why we're so interested in launching an attack here. We've seen price coming on the downside for a long time. Right, it was a big downside trend, which seemed to be it looked like it found its end where it hit that 59.14 in such a spectacular fashion, and then the turnaround. Now, obviously, there is this 65.41 obstacle. You can see from from this angle, right, from the monthly perspective, you can see how price was basically just touching down here on the downside, and now straight up and doing this again, this time on the upside. But we think this is, as opposed to the previous one, which was a reversal type of engagement, this one we think it's more of a temporarily type of engagement where price was gonna come back up and eventually will break through, right? And then of course we will try to chase price all the way to 72.43. It's a big move. Potentially speaking, we're talking about 700, 800 pip of potential move, a huge move. And we would like to start here. We would like to test the water, thus, getting very, very small and focus most of our energy on that 65.41. Once broken, right, that's where we're going to be, building up a decent sized position going forward. But we think it's safe, jumping the gun a little bit and throwing just one trade just to have some skin in the game going forward, because this is a long-term type of trading opportunity. Obviously, we're working here with a monthly chart, weekly monthly chart pretty much. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to come back and follow up on the situation here. New Zealand versus the US dollar looking pretty interesting on the way up. That's about that. See you in the next video. Take care.